guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Etsy SEO because I know just how confusing and frustrating it can be. Make sure as you're watching this video to snap a quick photo and put it on your Instagram story and tag me in it. I'm going to start sharing weekly on my videos one of you guys to feature either your personal account or your business's account if you tag me on that one. So let's first start with, what does SEO even stand for? It actually stands for search engine optimization, meaning it basically helps people find things that they're searching for. So how does this take apart in Etsy? Well, Etsy essentially is a search engine. Much like Google, whenever you're looking for a piece of information, you go to that little search bar, you type in something that you're wanting or looking for, and it's going to show you a list of results. Etsy is the exact same way. Whenever you're going to shop on Etsy, you're going to the search bar to type in whatever it is that you're looking for. Very rare do people just come on Etsy, scroll through the home page, and pick something off of there. They usually come in with an idea or thing that they're looking for in mind. Now, what people are typing into the search bar is what I like to call keywords and keyword phrases. They're typically a word or a string of words thrown together that describe what they're actually looking for and wanting to purchase. These keywords and phrases that they're actually typing into the Etsy search bar are exactly what you need to be including in your SEO for your listings on Etsy. So when it comes to creating a listing, you have a couple of different areas in which you need to basically describe your product so that Etsy knows exactly what it is and who they're going to be showing it to. These areas are your title, your description, and your tags. All three very important. Your title is the #1 place to include these keywords and phrases. So all those things that people might be typing into the search bar to find your item are what you want to include. Things that are going to describe what your item is. You should not be including words in your title that are a made-up word or something to name it that has nothing to do with describing your item. The more descriptive words you can include in your keywords, the easier it's going to be for people to find it in the Etsy search. Etsy is also going to be more likely to rank you higher in their algorithm, as more people finding your item means they want to show it more often. The next spot is your description. Now, a lot of people think that you really don't need to include the keywords here, but I definitely don't think it can't hurt. So why not include your keywords maybe in a couple of sentences to help describe your item? People are going to be looking in the description anyways, and it's just another spot to help. Your tag section, however, is another extremely important area to be including these keywords and key phrases in. You need to be using all 13 tag options that you have available. I know that you can only include up to 20 letters for each keyword or keyword phrase, but you need to fill this section out the best that you can with as many of those keywords and keyword phrases as absolutely possible. Another tip for this is to repeat your keywords between your title, your description, and your tags. This is going to make it very clear to Etsy what your item is and who it's for. Now, should your keywords be the same for every single item in your shop, even if you're selling similar items? For example, I was just finishing up an Etsy critique today for somebody who sells bookmarks. She sells a bunch of different kinds of bookmarks, but they're usually all different themed. Now, she wouldn't want to use the same keywords over and over and over again, because then she's just going to be competing against herself to rank in the Etsy algorithm. So what she needed to do for her keywords was to actually mix it up. Find new keywords and different ways of describing her items to see which keywords are going to do best. Where do you find these keywords? If you don't know what to put or you can't think of any new ones, how do you come up with them? eRank and Marmalade. These are two amazing Etsy resources. I'll link them down below for you. Both of these websites are going to help you to search and find for new keywords and keywords that are going to be helpful in getting you found in the search. I'm going to show you guys an example of eRank because that is the one that I personally use and love. eRank has a lovely search bar at the top that's just a keyword tool research. You can go and you can type in a keyword that you might want to use to describe your items. For example, I'll put mom graphic tee in here and we'll see what pops up. You're going to get a list of a ton of different keywords, and over on the left hand side you'll see a ton of different keywords or keyword phrases available. Well, towards the middle you're going to see these colored bars. Usually they are red or different shades of green, sometimes yellow, and sometimes they say unknown. This is showing you in the search or rank how often people use these keywords to help describe their items. The more people using them, the less likely it is that you're going to be able to show up in that search. So you want to look for those keywords that less people are using so that you can be the one that shows up in it when people are looking for them. You can also use this to come up with new product ideas, but we'll save that for a future video. Let's say though, maybe you're not ready to invest in a monthly fee of using eRank or Marmalade. Where else could you get your keywords? Your competitors. Yeah, use your competitors. Go to a shop that is making a lot of sales, that does really well, and start looking at their items. What are they putting in their title? What are they putting in their tags and their description? Okay, these are great ways to get keywords for your items without having to pay the monthly subscription from eRank or Marmalade. It's also a great way to look at your competitors and compare yourself to them in order to improve your shop. Now, I do not suggest taking word for word their titles or their keyword phrases, because you will be competing against them in order to rank on Etsy's search for them. So if you are a small shop and you are just constantly copying and pasting over people's titles from their items, that's probably not going to work for you. So be strategic in how you use these. Now let's talk about, what do you do if you feel like your SEO is not working, or maybe you think you're doing a good job at your SEO, but you're still not seeing traffic or sales. What I would suggest to you is using a tactic called A/B testing. And that is where you take the same item or same listing and duplicate it. But you're going to use different keywords or keyword phrases to hopefully help see which ones are going to allow your item to show up more in your search. Since you're limited to the number of characters in your title and the number of tags in each listing, this is a really great way to test out different keywords and keyword phrases that you might want to use for an item. You can also do this with multiple items over and over and over again to figure out exactly what keywords you want to use and which ones are going to show up better in your shop. Side note, this is also an awesome tip to test out your photography if you're interested in improving that, which again, I'll have a brand new video on coming very soon, so look out for it. Question of the day for you guys. How many of you have used eRank or Marmalade before? If you have, I want to know down below, and if you have not, are you going to be signing up, or are you going to go more of the searching for your competitors route? I want to know down below. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. I will be responding to all of your comments within the first 48 hours of the video. Guys, I have some really exciting news. I am going to be coming out with an Etsy beginners master course. I'm really excited to be working on this project. It's been a big goal of mine for a long time now. This course is going to have so much information, from why you should choose Etsy, opening your shop, photography, SEO, and so much more to make your shop successful. I'm going to put my email sign up link down below if you are potentially interested in this course. It won't be launching for about another month, but if you think that you would be interested in signing up, definitely go and sign up for the emails, because you'll get all the notifications that you need. Plus, I'll be giving you a lot of sneak peek looks inside the course to see exactly what it has for you guys. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to put another video that I think you're going to want to watch next. It is very informational and super helpful for you, along with an entire playlist full of other Etsy related tips and videos for you guys to go check out. I will also include my subscribe button right here so you guys can stick around on my channel for new videos. And lastly, I'm actually going to put my Etsy critiques here. I offer these over on my shop, where I give you guys an unbiased look at your Etsy shop and what I think you might need to be working on in order to improve it. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.